Good day, Masters. Carrie Lamastis with Take Back Your Light. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel supports my hypnosis and hypnotherapy business, and you can find more information on that at takebackyourlight.com. So here in this YouTube channel, you will find answers to frequently asked questions regarding hypnosis and hypnotherapy. You'll find client videos showing you exactly what to expect during a hypnosis session with me. Also, information on workshops and self-hypnosis classes that I have coming up, and general guided meditations. Those are different than your personal guided meditations that I offer to my clients. I've also created a vlog that is of documenting my personal experience of spiritual awakening. Hypnosis and hypnotherapy have been a vital part of that process, and I just wanted to share it so that anyone out there experiencing spiritual awakening can have the information that they need. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the channel. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please get a hold of me through my website. Again, that is takebackyourlight.com. Have a great day.